In this video, you'll learn how to hide or make private your feedback on eBay. This guide will walk you through understanding feedback visibility, adjusting your privacy settings, and managing future feedback effectively. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the feedback visibility options available on eBay. Navigate to your account settings and review the feedback settings. It is important to understand that while some feedback can be hidden or restricted, complete privacy may not be achievable due to platform rules. Take the time to read the help documentation that outlines the visibility limits based on your account type. This knowledge is crucial to prevent any confusion regarding what can be changed. Next, adjust your privacy settings by accessing your account preferences. Look for the section labeled feedback within your account settings. In this area, you can change the settings that control how your feedback is displayed publicly. Be sure to select the appropriate options that align with your privacy preferences. After making your selections, save the adjustments. A confirmation message should appear indicating that your updates have been successfully applied. To verify the changes, refresh your profile page and check the visibility of your feedback. Once your privacy settings are adjusted, it is essential to manage future feedback effectively. Focus on maintaining excellent service to encourage positive reviews. Responding promptly to disputes and communicating clearly with buyers can help you avoid negative comments. Regularly monitor your feedback to stay informed about your reputation. If you encounter any feedback that violates eBay's policies, be proactive and report it. Maintaining a strong performance will ensure that your profile reputation remains clean. Remember that while you can control some aspects of your feedback visibility, eBay has specific guidelines that may affect your options. Always keep an eye on any updates to the platform's policies that might impact your feedback settings. Being proactive in managing your feedback can help you maintain a positive presence in the eBay community. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.